Okay, now we're gonna step into the two bedroom. So let's take a look. And oh, there it is. There's that little mud space. And oh, this time, oh gosh, I like it that it has. It usually doesn't have something like that with the granite on top of it. That's actually a good idea. So I like that a lot. And then you've got some good shelves in there too. And this has I like how this is kind of beveled. It just kind of looks cool. Anyway, so let's look at we've walked through just the entry, and this is a very grand kitchen. It's got a great feel. It's light, it's bright. It just feels really inviting. I could totally see having small parties, soirees, whatever here. Look at this. It's just really, really cute. Plenty of space on the walls too to put, they put some black and white, a lot of black and white pictures and stuff here. And then this is what it looks like in here. Gosh, this is very generous space in here. So you could have a lot of people in this room, and I think they'd be really comfortable. So we're going to explore all of that in a minute, but let's look at the kitchen. You've got a great island here. This has some wide chairs, so you really could fit four if you needed to easily there. This is the sink of the island and the gooseneck faucet that's there, so that's really cool. There's your dishwasher that's there, and then of course you have gas here as well. You've also got very generous storage, plenty of drawers here. Look at these cabinets. They're tall. They've got a lot of space to work with. And then they've got that soft close, which is really cool. Here's the really pretty refrigerator as well. It's a GE. Look at that really pretty backsplash. I love that backsplash. And then, again, more storage space. So really nice size cabinets in there. So that's all good. I'm guessing this probably is where the washer and dryer is. Yep, I guessed right. So got that there. That's all good. Okay, let's go explore quickly the one of the bedrooms, and that's a really good size bed in there, and it might be a king. It's got some good space, so you can absolutely have that in your bedroom in here, and let's just look what it looks like over here with the wall and things like that. So you've got good space over there, and then here directly is the bathroom, and you've got that really pretty tile that I like. It's 6-inch, and then it's like 18-inch, and a beautiful tile. You're gonna have the walk-in shower that's so nice in here. It's this glass. You're gonna have a really, really nice. Just a nice bathroom. It just feels great in here, and plenty of storage space. There's some more cabinets for linen cabinet pretty much there, and then you got a good sized closet. Look at this closet. It's good size. It's very wide. I'd say it's probably about 8 feet wide, and it's got plenty of shelf space. So you've got a very generous amount of space for your clothes for sure. So that's one of the bedrooms. Let's go explore the other bedroom briefly. We'll look at that, and that's over here. And wow, okay. So this one, you kind of walk straight into it. This is very nice size too, and I'm noticing you have a good size for nightstands and things like that on both sides. This one is actually facing the patio, so the patio is a good highlight and feature of that. We'll go check that patio out in a second. But you've got that here. Now you've got this is the closet space in here. It's just a little smaller than the other one. But it's still a good size, and you've got good stuff to work with here. You've also, though, got this, which is not in the other bedroom. You've got a good amount of storage space here. This just kind of continues what you could be putting in the closet. So when you put these together, you've got really a lot of space to work with. Here's your master bath. This is the master bedroom, by the way. So here's your master bath. You do have dual sinks in here, so This is a nice. It's a big sized, really nice sized area to work with. So two people can be here. You've got there's your beautiful white face drawers and to pull, and just a lot to work with here. So a lot of space to work with here. You can really store a lot. There's your kind of your built-in linen closet that's right there, and then there's your shower. And this is pretty delightful. It's got the tub that's here, and then it's actually got the shower additionally as well. So this is all enclosed by the glass. Hope you can see the glass, and it's got those niche corner shelves. That's really cool. And then you've got the tub. So this is very special. Okay, and then finally, let's take a quick look at the patio. And wowzers, this is kind of sort of big. So let's look. Okay, wow. Good amount of space. They've actually put a whole table out here. This is how big it is. There's a whole table, and they've got like a painting out there. Heck, you could put in maybe another big screen TV, but you've got this to work with. This is really large. So you've got great space here. And then you got even 2 chairs over here. So this is really cool. A lot of space to work with. This is kind of a social area that's outside. We'll check that out in just a little bit. Okay, y'all, that's the 2-bedroom.